Hello, what is up guys? Eman from Peso Smart PH here. Welcome to a new episode. Shout out to all the podcast listeners as well. I appreciate you all. Today we're gonna talk about my DeFi Pet. Okay, first off, let's talk about the roadmap that they've released a couple of weeks ago when they fixed the server. So let's start off with quarter number 3 of 2021. So that is from July, August, and then September. So the first one is going to be the blockchain feature, which is breeding. So this has been released already and everyone can breed their own pets now for 5 DPET tokens. The next one would be the marketplace. This is not implemented yet, but this is coming soon. And then staking. I'm not sure what you need to stake, but probably it's going to be the DPET token. I'm not sure if you can like stake pets, but that is a possibility as well. And then some in-game features that they are gonna develop: PvP teaser, new UI and UX, cell cage feature. Yes, that one we really need that one, because the capacity of the first cages that you will get is a bit low, even if it's maxed out at level 3. So the first one will be Barbaria, Fiend, Insect, and then Wyvern. So it's gonna be better if we just go for Chimera. So if we go AFK, then we can maximize the silvers that we're earning. They will also add banks here in the game, and that will increase your silver storage. For now, I'm not sure how much silver you can store at the current patch, but I haven't maxed out mine yet because I always buy all the cages and then I max it out. So if any one of you knows what's the maximum storage for silvers, just let me know. But yeah, once they added the bank, then we won't have any problems with that. And then the next one would be the boss fight event. If you haven't checked out my video about that yet, just click the link right there at the top right so that you can catch up on that. And of course, I'm gonna update you guys as soon as they announce like a pending date for the boss fight event, so that we are all updated. Okay, next one is gonna be Q4 or quarter 4 of 2021. So that is going to be on October, November, and then December. And of course, I mean, this is just a roadmap and this is not set in stone. So the new content and the new patch can be delayed. There's a potential of some delays depending on the devs. But hopefully they underpromised and they will over-deliver so that everyone's gonna be happy. Alright, for Q4, they will introduce new in-game token for play-to-earn features. So just like in Axie Infinity, they have the native token of Axie Infinity, which is AXS or Axis. And then they have SLP, or the small love potion that you earn in game. So the same thing will apply here on DPET. So like the equivalent of Axis is DPET tokens, and then they will introduce a new token that we can earn while doing all the stuff, all the play to earn features in game. But what I noticed is that on the boss fight event, they said that they will give out DPET token rewards. So I'm curious if they will change that. So now we just have to stay tuned and then wait for the devs to make the official announcement. Alright, so all the play to earn features are PvP battle, campaign mode, that is PvE, all the daily quests, and then world boss. Then of course they will add all the in-game features, skill system, and then social features. Of course we need the skill system so that we can do the PvE and PvP content. And now for the first quarter of 2022, that's from January, February, and then March. So additional play to earn features. So we're gonna have some more maps in campaign mode, and then they will introduce Endless Tower, and then an additional pet expedition. So this is like an equivalent of end-game staking of your pets. On the second quarter of 2022, that is from April, May, and June, so they will introduce the mobile app. So this will attract more players in the game. And like the barrier to entry will be even lower, but of course that will depend on the price action of the DPET token. And I'm pretty sure by this time, I think it's gonna be a bit higher compared to the prices now. But of course, we're not sure about that. If that will happen, it can still go down as well. And then some more exciting stuff. So they will release a limited next gen pet sale. For me personally, I think I don't want to miss that, but of course that will depend on how much like DPET tokens I have, and then how much like the limited pet sale will be. And on the same period, they will introduce Season 2 Super Hunger Game. Not sure how that will work, so we just have to wait for that. And then another one, play to earn feature. So they will introduce in-game lending pet. Not sure how that will work. Maybe you'll lend your pet to like another player. So maybe that is quite similar to the scholarship program of Axie Infinity. But yeah, we just have to wait for now. And then lastly, for the third quarter of 2022, so that's gonna be next year. So they will host a limited land sale. So probably this land sale is gonna be an NFT as well. So ideally, this is gonna be another investment aside from the pets and all the play to earn features in the game. So if you buy some land, then you can like sell it for a higher price over time. Also, a friendly reminder that if you transferred some ETH to your MetaMask account and then you swapped it into DPET, you can like have it reimbursed to your KardiaChain or your Binance Smart Chain wallet. What you have to do is to just head over to the Twitter page of my DeFi Pet and then find this post, and you have to fill out the Google form that they've provided. Once you're in the Google form, you just have to provide your email, your ERC20 wallet that has the DPET token. So that is like your MetaMask wallet and like other wallets if you have one, as long as it's ERC20. So that's the Ethereum blockchain. And then you have to state how many DPET tokens you have there, and then select from KardiaChain or BSC where you want to receive your DPET tokens. So since my DeFi Pet is backed by KardiaChain, they will give a bonus 10% value in Kai tokens. Alright guys, we're gonna end the episode here, and if you made it at the end of this episode, thank you very much, I appreciate you. Help me grow the channel by smashing the like button, that really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And if you like this video, make sure to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you won't miss out on my uploads every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Follow me as well on my social media platforms at MNPSPH. I'm on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And another way to support the channel is through the YouTube membership. Click on the link down in the description below to know more about it. Thanks again for watching and listening, everyone. Stay safe. I'll see you all in the next episode. Always remember, be Peso smart.